Hello guys, today I'm piping this red edged rose, a dual tone rose, which looks so pretty, isn't it? And it's one of my favorite flowers. So let's get started. I start by taking some whipped cream and I mix it well by pressing it to remove air bubbles and to get the clear edges on flowers. And then I'm using a Wilton's red food color, just taking a bit into the toothpick, and I'm going to dab the side of the piping bag, the side which has the thin side of the petal tip. Just a tiny swipe. And then I'm going to fill it with white whipped cream. I have also fixed this piping bag with the tip 104 and pushed the cream all the way down and wrapped it up tightly. So let's test if we get that color on the tip. There we have it. So let's start piping. So I create a small base to hold the rose, and then I just pipe a tight cone, wrap once to form the center bud, and then we just pipe inverted U's, turning the nail from left to right. And once we have the center tight cone, we pipe in this order. We pipe 3 petals overlapping each other, and then 5 again slightly overlapping each other. So look at that red edge, and you can see the magic unfold. So I usually like my roses closed, so I continue with the same piping angle. Once we have a nice closed rose, then we can finish the rose by creating bigger petals to give a nice outer finish. So look at that. So you can continue piping the petals till you get the desired size of the rose, and you can also slightly move the tip outwards in order to make the rose look more blue. So while you're piping, you just need to keep these 3 things in mind: steady pressure and turning the nail from left to right rather than turning your hand, and always keeping the narrow side of the petal tip upward. So as you can see, when I change the angle outwards, the rose looks more bloomed. So if you like this video, do follow and subscribe for more such tips and tricks. Enjoy!